Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Oral-B Sensitive is probably one of the most sought-after electric toothbrushes for individuals with sensitive gums and teeth, offering a gentle yet effective cleaning experience that traditional brushing often misses, promising a brighter smile and healthier mouth without the discomfort. Number 5. Aquasonic Black Series Ultra-Whitening Toothbrush. Achieve a noticeably whiter smile with our advanced whitening toothbrush. Its powerful cleaning action gently removes stains for a radiant finish. Rest assured, this electric toothbrush is ADA accepted, meaning it meets high standards for oral health. It's designed for effective and safe daily use. This package includes 8 brush heads and a travel case, ensuring you always have what you need. Enjoy convenience at home and on the go. With a 40,000 VPM electric motor, it delivers exceptional cleaning power. The smart timer ensures you brush for the dentist-recommended duration. Charging is simple with its wireless technology. Just place it on the charging base for a hassle-free power-up. Customize your brushing experience with 4 distinct modes. Whether you need a deep clean or a gentle polish, it has you covered. What we like? This toothbrush offers an incredibly powerful motor for deep cleaning. It also comes with a generous supply of replacement heads and convenient wireless charging. If you're looking for a complete package with long-term value and a thorough clean, this is a great choice. What people say. It feels well made, looks sleek, and does a great job making my teeth feel clean and smooth after brushing. The vibration is strong without feeling too harsh, and it seems to remove plaque much better than a regular manual toothbrush. I also like that it comes with multiple brushing modes, so you can adjust it depending on how gentle or deep of a clean you want. Number 4. Aquasonic Vibe Series Ultra-Whitening Toothbrush. Introducing the Aquasonic Vibe Series, designed to deliver an ultra-whitening clean. Achieve a noticeably brighter smile with advanced sonic technology. This electric toothbrush is ADA accepted, ensuring effective and safe oral care. Its powerful 40,000 VPM motor tackles plaque and stains with ease. It comes with 8 brush heads and a convenient travel case, making it perfect for home or on the go. Maintain your oral hygiene wherever you are. Enjoy effortless charging with its wireless charging capability. The smart timer and 4 distinct modes ensure you get the most out of every brushing session. Elevate your bathroom with its sophisticated satin rose gold finish. This toothbrush combines cutting-edge technology with elegant design. Invest in your smile's health and appearance. This device is your daily partner for achieving superior cleanliness and a radiant smile. What we like? This option provides a high-performance clean with multiple brushing modes to suit your needs. Its stylish satin rose gold finish adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. If you desire a powerful toothbrush that also looks good and offers customizable cleaning, consider this model. What people say. The battery life is good, travel-friendly, no more overbrushing as it has its own timer for 2 minutes, very easy to use. The toothbrush came with extra brush heads which was a great value. The battery life was strong. This toothbrush has multiple settings. The clean one is really thorough. I love that it buzzes every 30 seconds then stops after 2 minutes. The battery lasts about 2 weeks but I charge it once a week. It charges really fast. Number 3. Oral-B Braun Replacement Toothbrush Heads, 20 PCS. Experience a professional level clean with these replacement toothbrush heads. Designed to fit your Oral-B electric toothbrush, they ensure a thorough and effective brushing experience. This pack includes 20 replacement heads, offering excellent value and ensuring you have a fresh brush head ready for months to come. Say goodbye to frequent replacements. These brush heads are compatible with a wide range of Oral-B electric toothbrush models, including Pro 500, 1000, 1500, 3000, 5000, 7000, 7500, and 8000. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing device. Engineered for optimal oral hygiene, they effectively remove plaque and reach those difficult areas. Maintain a healthy smile with every use. Replacing your brush head is simple and quick, allowing you to maintain peak performance without any hassle. Get back to a superior clean effortlessly. These are the perfect refill heads for your Oral-B electric toothbrush. Trust in their quality to deliver a consistent and powerful clean, just like the original. What we like? This is a fantastic value pack for anyone needing a large quantity of replacement brush heads. They are designed to be compatible with many Oral-B models, ensuring a good fit. If you want to stock up and save money on brush head replacements for your existing electric toothbrush, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The Oral-B sensitive electric toothbrush has a pressure sensor that alerts you if you're brushing too hard, protecting your gums. It features multiple brushing modes, including a sensitive mode specifically designed for gentle cleaning. The toothbrush comes with a long-lasting battery, providing several weeks of use on a single charge. Number 2. Oral-B Smart 5000 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. Introducing the Oral-B Smart 5000, a rechargeable electric toothbrush designed for a superior clean. Experience advanced cleaning technology right in your hand. Connect wirelessly via Bluetooth to track your brushing habits and receive personalized feedback. It helps you achieve your oral hygiene goals effortlessly. Protect your gums with the intelligent visible pressure sensor. It alerts you if you're brushing too hard, ensuring a safe and effective clean every time. Customize your brushing experience with 5 distinct cleaning modes. Whether you need daily clean, sensitive, or whitening, it has you covered. Ensure you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes with the built-in timer. It guides you to brush each quadrant of your mouth thoroughly. Keep your toothbrush protected and clean on the go with the included travel case. It's perfect for maintaining your oral care routine wherever you are. What we like. This toothbrush connects to your phone for guided brushing and real-time feedback. The visible pressure sensor is crucial for protecting your gums from damage. If you're someone who wants to improve their brushing technique with smart technology and needs extra gum protection, this is the ideal option. What people say. The toothbrush has a pressure sensor that alerts you when you're brushing too hard, protecting your gums. It comes with multiple brushing modes, including sensitive, whitening, and gum care, allowing for a customized cleaning experience. The battery life is excellent, lasting for about 2 weeks on a single charge, which is convenient for travel. Number 1. Oral-B Pro 1000 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. Experience a superior clean with the Oral-B Pro 1000. It's designed to remove more plaque than a manual toothbrush, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and healthy. This rechargeable electric toothbrush features a powerful cleaning action. Its dynamic movement reaches deep between teeth and along the gum line for a thorough clean. Worry less about brushing too hard. The built-in pressure sensor alerts you if you're applying too much force, protecting your gums. Enjoy the convenience of a long-lasting battery. A single charge provides enough power for multiple brushing sessions, making it perfect for home and travel. Achieve a brighter, healthier smile with consistent use. It's an essential tool for your daily oral hygiene routine. Make the smart choice for your oral health. This toothbrush offers advanced features in a sleek, user-friendly design. What we like. This toothbrush offers essential features for effective oral hygiene at a budget-friendly price. It includes a pressure sensor to safeguard your gums and a reliable daily clean mode. If you are looking for a straightforward, effective electric toothbrush that provides good value and gum protection without unnecessary extras, this is a solid choice. What people say. The circular motion of the Oral-B mimics the tools they use at the dentistry. My teeth feel remarkably cleaner. As though I was able to get down to every nook and cranny in one seamless application. The small round head and oscillating rotation scrub plaque off the gum line better than most manual brushes. You get a 2-minute timer with 30-second pacing and a basic pressure control that slows the pulsations if you push too hard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.